So this is exciting. I decided to build my own amp. I ordered a kit from Weber. Of course, Weber are famous for their speakers, and this comes with a Weber speaker. It's a copy, as you can probably tell, of a Fender Deluxe Reverb, the AB763 circuit. The cabinet's pretty nice quality that they've built. I'm surprised they didn't paint the interior of it black. I might paint that just to make it a little more authentic looking. And I decided to upgrade some of the parts. So for signal caps, we have some orange drops, and upgrading the jacks and the ceramic tube sockets, which are probably fine, but the connectors inside to the pins are made of, it's kind of light quality metal, and they don't hold quite as well. So I have some belt-in tube sockets. We'll use those. And upgraded the electrolytics to F&Ts. These are great caps. And various other things. Even a fuse holder. And finally, the reverb tank didn't come with a bag, so I have a genuine Fender reverb tank bag. So I'm looking forward to getting to work on this. We'll put her together. I'll do it slowly. It doesn't come with any instructions, but I'm cheating, don't tell anyone. I'm using the Stu Mac instructions for their clone, which is very similar to this one, of course. And we'll go through it very slowly, very methodically, and I'll document it here on the channel, and we'll see how we make out. Wish me luck.